So I recently picked up this 4-zone Rainpoint sprinkler timer, and today I just wanted to give you guys my 1 month review of using it. So far it's been working fine, no problems. You just had to add a couple batteries. Some of the things that I like about it is that the top screws into the hose spigot with ease. It's not difficult whatsoever, and it has a nice metal grip to it so that you guys could really twist it on there, whether it's with a tool or by your hand. Now it also does have manual watering, so if you guys have the timer set up the exact way you guys want, you guys could just press the manual button and then go to the zone that you guys want to manually water and do that. So far I've noticed zero leaking from this unit, which is really important to me because this is always on. And so far I've been using it for a little over a month, and I have not had to replace the batteries whatsoever. It has a bunch of different adjustments. You guys could easily adjust what time of the day it's going off. You guys could adjust how long it's going off. It's really simple to set up. And anyways, that's it for my review of the Rainpoint sprinkler timer.